Jupiter bikes are an emerging brand of stylish outdoor recreation equipment for the masses. Getting people, all people, outdoors is our mission. Jupiter Bike wants to give people the opportunity to enjoy the outdoors by offering bikes that fit your life. We feel like our high quality, excellent customer service, and great price are the perfect fit for your organization to take on our new line of Jupiter bikes in this growing market segment. Everyone can benefit from the versatility of our bikes. Foldable, portable, and the electric pedal assist that can be turned off or turned up are some of the many features our Jupiter bikes provide. Attractive and fun, Jupiter bikes makes riding more convenient and enjoyable. We developed a line of e-bikes that offers affordability, compactness, and the riding features that fit anyone's lifestyle. Hi, my name is Jim Stevens. I'm your account executive. Let's go check in with Rob, our president. See you soon. Hey, Rob.
Hey, Jim. Hey, I'm Rob Daniels, president of Jupiter Bike. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our electric bikes. Customers want a high-quality electric bike at a reasonable price, and that's exactly what our Discovery gives them. With 3 levels of pedal assist and high-end materials used throughout, this is a great leisure option for your customers. Also have the Defiant, which is our new fat tire e-bike. This one rides more like an ATV. The 4-inch fat tires will go over practically anything with a max speed of 20 miles an hour on throttle alone and 5 levels of pedal assist. This is a great option for your customers too. Let's all partner together to bring people back outdoors. Thank you.
Thank you.